Hi everyone. Today we're using these two little palettes. First we're gonna start with this light one over here. Wait, right here. And first we're gonna start it at the bottom of the eye. As you can see, it's not getting like though, but we'll get it to so you can see it more. If you can't really see it, we can use like a different color of of my makeup, because you see these are all of the makeups that I have on here. Well, as you know, I got this for Easter. That was yesterday. You see that dark stuff there? I don't know what that is, but we'll get this darker color or this green, because it's not showing very well. So we'll get the green. It's about that color. It's that color. And we're just gonna rub it down. You can't see both of them, but it's fine. We will get started to look at it. Or if you want, you can start with darker colors on the bottom of your eye. This let's do this I'm gonna do this darkest pink on this bottom. See that? You can look at that. And then we're starting with a darker color. You see, if you can't see it, we'll get more of it on. And now you can get this shade of it. Okay, next we're doing the other eye. As you see what we did here to it, it doesn't look as good. Let's just pat all that mess out. As you can see, it's like more good than the other eye that I just did. We want to keep patting all that mess out so we can get the more shade so it gets more smoother. We're gonna go with that dark color again. So I just did that color. Now we're doing this color. It's more as lighter. And let's do it more darker on the other eye. Like this other eye. And I hope you have a great day. If you can find these looks, if you want to do a makeup tutorial and you have the same palettes as me, have a great day doing it like me. Bye.